So right now, I have my pen tool again. So this is what I mean. If you click and then go up, making like a triangle kind of shape, click and drag. I think you guys noticed something about dragging the line. The more anchor you have, you notice how much more curvy it looks, correct? The less anchors I have, less curve. Makes sense. Think of as those little anchors as something the line is bouncing off. You understand? It's like that's the way that you have to think of it. And then what I do is, now if you have your guides, I click and drag. Now a lot of you are dragging like this to the side. No. Drag so it looks like it's a 180-degree angle. Do not try to make your anchors so long. Look what happens when I change my anchors to be really, really long. It skews my line too much. So what I need you to do is bring it in. Click and drag, click and drag. Now, if you don't have these guidelines that I have myself, you can go to view. You can put smart guides. It's ready. If you don't have these anchors, you see how like it shows me like little pink anchors that I might help me align as I draw. You go to view. You put smart guides, okay? Let's do this again. So if you click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. I need you to do this. Okay. That's one. Now, this is just an exercise for you to help get used to the pen tool. We can do straight lines all day, but curved lines is really hard. You get used to it. So for example, now let's put it to another one. You're gonna take this, you're gonna take one anchor, bring the other point on the top, and you're gonna drag that point. Then you see, have two anchors. I think some of you have noticed that if you click twice, it erases the point, correct? So if you click on the same point, minus one anchor. And then you go to the bottom, and you're just going to try to do another wave. Click on that anchor again to minus the anchor. Go to the bottom. There you go. You're just gonna do waves. Click on the anchor itself, and then there you go. Okay. So all of this is to get used to minusing anchors as well. Okay, so once again, you're gonna click. Sorry, let me take this out. Oh, I think you've noticed too, if you want to move things around, take this tool, selection tool. Look, it just selects the entire line. You can even click and drag, and it moves whatever selection you have to the top. Now, the direct tool, you see that little white anchor? If you click on it, it's not gonna do that. It's only gonna do the section that you click on. Look. You see the difference? That being said, I can go here in my little wave, and the anchors are gonna show, and I can change it there. I can move with my direct selection tool. I can move it where it goes. Okay? Try to get used to this. I want you to get used to the tools. Also, you don't have to, this is not the homework, but just so you know, if you want to just save it just to practice, go for it.